Today we're going to be doing a review of Dokiko windshield washer fluid tablet. We got these instead of buying wiper fluid traditionally in the plastic bottle. We just got these on Amazon. We'll go ahead and link the product in the description. It's a pretty simple task. All you need to do, the instructions are on here. You fill the bottle with water, let it stand for 20 to 30 minutes, and pour it into the water tank. As you can see, it's just a little blue tablet. Now, once we've got the product open, we'll go ahead and put it in the bottle. As you can see, it starts to dissolve instantly. I'll put the cap on, shake it around a little bit, let it stand for 10 to 30 minutes, and we'll go ahead and put it into the car and try it out. After 30 minutes, you can see the tablet has dissolved, just leaving a blue liquid. We'll go ahead and locate the washer fluid. It's right here. It's always got the cap, washer fluid only. Go ahead and pop the cap here. If you have a funnel, could make this a little bit easier. But the mouth is pretty open, so it shouldn't be a big problem. Go ahead and pour the liquid in. Till it's full. Close the cap. Should be all set. So we've gone ahead and added the wiper fluid. We also just put on new wipers. So go ahead and test it out. Sprays out good and clean. Like I said, we'll go ahead and link the product in the description. Let us know if you like it. It seems to do the job here for us.